And now moving on, there's some breaking news that's coming in. Now the states can enact laws on Uniform Civil Code. Law Minister Kiren Rijiju tells in the Rajya Sabha. Law Minister says personal laws come under concurrent list even as several BJP-ruled states, including Uttarakhand, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, have taken steps to implement the Uniform Civil Code. Now, this is what Kiren Rijiju has said on the floor of the House now, and this is with respect to Uniform Civil Code. Now, remember, there has been a debate that has been raging about Uniform Civil Code for the last several days, and to give us more details on this, I'm being joined by my colleague Arunima on the phone line. Arunima, if you could put the statement of the minister in perspective for our viewers.
It was a question that was asked in Rajya Sabha. It was the Law Ministry's question day, and therefore Rajya Sabha MP Dr. John Brittas, who belongs to the left, he asked a question, and his question was whether government is aware of the fact that some states are proceeding with the formulation of the Uniform Civil Code, and whether there is a response from the government, to which the minister responds that he is aware, and then says that Article 44 of the Constitution provides that the state shall endeavour to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Personal laws such as intestacy and succession, wills, joint family and partition, marriage and divorce relate to entry 5 of the concurrent list, and therefore the states are also empowered to legislate upon the same. So he's basically stating the legal position and saying that if states want to make a move and they want to come up with the Uniform Civil Code, the Constitution empowers them to do.
Well, Arunima, that's interesting because for the last few days we have seen that even the states have put forth a similar stance, particularly the BJP-ruled state. In fact, as I remember, just a few days ago, Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis also said something similar, that the government had the responsibility to bring up such a legislation when it came to the state government. In view of such statements coming from state governments, how important is it that the union minister has put forth such a stance?
See, he's just reiterating the constitutional positions, and even senior ministers of the NDA, like Union Minister Amit Shah, have reiterated that this is part of BJP's manifesto. BJP is committed to bring about a UCC. At the central level, we have not seen any move yet. But at the state level, all the assembly constituencies that BJP had, aimed to win over, be it Uttarakhand, be it Himachal Pradesh, you're also mentioning Maharashtra, perhaps also in Karnataka, which is poll-bound, bringing Uniform Civil Code has been on top of the BJP manifesto, and they have been promising to the voters in these states that if they are voted to power, they will implement it. In Uttarakhand, for example, Pushkar Singh Dhami has said that a committee is being formed and they're on course to bring about UCC. What the minister is stating on the floor of the House is just a reiteration that there is no legal provision to stop the states from doing so.
Well, Arunima, thank you for that information. And now moving on.